Ever wondered how much a small YouTuber makes off of YouTube ad revenue? No? Well, buckle up because I'm going to tell you anyways. That was dumb. Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode where I answer a question nobody asked for. Literally, not a single person asked how much I make off of YouTube, but I'm going to tell you anyway. So to answer your question that nobody asked, how much did I make off of YouTube in my first year? The answer is not much, but more than zero, so I'm happy. If we go over to the YouTube backend, YouTube Studio, I have 6,911 subscribers. My goal for the first year was 1,000 subs, so I blew past that. I readjusted the goal to 5,000 in the first year, and now my new goal for my second year, I guess entire 2021, is going to be 10,000 subs. I'm well on my way. If we go into the analytics section, it'll break down the revenue side. I do want to show you guys, let's say if we just do lifetime, it's been officially, I think 1 year and a bit. So today is February 23rd, 24th. I started February 15th, 2020. You could see 0 views, nothing's going on. I had a big jump in views after one video went viral, in quotes, and this is what it looks like to be shadow banned. Take a look at this. I got flagged, I guess in May, June, I got flagged for complex speculative financial transactions, and it took me a really long time to get out of there. So as you can see here, lifetime, I made $1,417 off of YouTube ads, and I am super happy. I guess what's more relevant is to show you when I got monetized, which was around October 15th. So if we go apply, this is my entire monetization life. Subscribers, I've been getting, I think like 10, 15 subscribers a day. And then recently, I don't know what happened. I started going up to 40, 50. I've never had this much growth. And then suddenly one day it was like 93, which is insane. One day it was 88. It's kind of tapering off, but whatever happened the last couple of days, last couple of weeks, I am super happy. If we go into the revenue section, it'll show you your RPM. I don't care so much about CPM because this is not what I get paid. RPM, revenue per thousand. This is how much I actually get paid per 1,000 views. This is really low. I've seen people with their RPM at like 22. I'm not sure why it's so low. I do need to figure it out. But a better breakdown is if you see, oh yeah, you see here, like I was making 0 October 15th, 16th. Okay, so October 19th is my first day getting monetized. I was averaging, let's say, I guess I'm making $10 a day. So every point is a day. Some low periods here, I made $3. I'm gonna say the average was 10. And then again, in the last couple weeks, I started slowly increasing, 14. I made 33 one day, which is bonkers, 26. And then I went up to 35.64. This is my highest earning day. And I'm super happy. Sorry, let me move this a little for the lighting. So very happy what's happening here. If we go by month, I got monetized in October, 128, ended up almost doubling to 230, and then December 290, 316 in January, and now like February, I still have 6-7 days left. I'm at $450. I'll probably break the $500 barrier in February. I guess my goal, if I could make 1,000 a month off of YouTube, I'd be very happy. The videos are very time consuming, minus this one, but the ones where I'm doing the stock research and breaking down a company, it takes a lot of time to research, and I have to I have a lot of things in my head, but I need to verify that they're correct. So I did study all the finance stuff in university, and I do it for my work, but sometimes you just got to make sure that it's actually real, like what you're doing actually makes sense and it's not false. So I do a lot of research. The filming and editing takes forever. So if I could make 1,000 a month off of YouTube, I'd be very happy. If we go back to the videos, my top earning videos, crazy. I can't believe I made over $173 off one video. Top 5 ETFs for 2021. The most interesting thing, these are relevant videos. Top 2 Canadian stocks, top 5 Canadian ETFs. These are recent videos. What's crazy are the evergreen videos. These are ones that should probably make you the most money. How to use Questrade for beginners. This was over a year ago, and it's still getting $90. It's still earning views. A lot of videos are timely, and they'll kind of die out. Like if I'm reviewing a stock's Q3 results, that's a Q3 2020 video only. It's not really relevant in 2021. Another one's S&P 500 ETFs for Canadians. This is one of my best performing videos. It's evergreen. I don't need to constantly rehash and update this video. But yeah, this is very interesting. This is what the YouTube backend looks like. I'm very happy with the results. I wasn't expecting to make this much. I probably spent $800 buying the camera, buying the setup, and the Adobe software. So to have broken even within a year, and then now I'm making profit, I'm pretty happy. If we go into the ad types, so the skippable video ads, like these are the 5 or 6 second ads that you get to skip at the beginning. These are the majority of the profits. The non-skippable ads, I feel sorry for the 2.6%. You know, I try not to put that many ads in the middle. I try to put one ad in the middle of every video. Some videos have 2 if they're like 20 minutes, but I don't want to get too annoying with the ads. I'm not here to milk you for all your money. If we go into estimated ad revenue, this YouTube Premium. Okay, so I guess some people have YouTube Premium, and this is what this is the money I make off of it. But I'm very happy here. If we, I guess there's nothing else, like transaction revenue 0. I guess I don't make much off of this. But yeah, what should I go? What else should I show you? If we go into content, I do want to show you the, I guess like the viral video. This is where I got most of my subscribers, how I got 1,000 subscribers really quickly, almost strictly off of this video. I don't get that many views. If you see, like, I have 110 videos, but then not many get like over 10,000, like only 4 or 5. If I show you the analytics for this specific video, this was just one of the most timely videos I made. It was right when the pandemic happened, the lockdown happened. Everyone was wondering if their houses were going to crash, if they were able to buy houses. But this is an example of hitting the algorithm. So YouTube pushing me. I guess I released the video Tuesday, March 24th. And then out of nowhere, in the beginning of May, I guess people were wondering about houses. The spring housing market was hot. I got like 40,000 views, and I just have no idea what happened. And then it tapered off hard. I got 895 subscribers off this one video alone. And again, look at the algorithm pushing me. Out of nowhere, I don't know how this happened. I started getting 100 subscribers in a day. And same thing, like, you need to get monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours. I got almost all my watch hours from this video alone. It didn't make a lot of money because I wasn't monetized until October, and all my views clearly came in May and June. So 895 subscribers from just one video. I'm very happy. One of my recent best performing videos, right over here, top 5 Canadian ETFs. This came out in December. 765 subs just off of this one. And then you can see 19,000 views. That would earn you $175, $173. It's pretty good. Over here, they show you where you come up. So why people are watching this video. I come up in the YouTube search, and I guess that's the most important thing. What I found is not a lot of people are, I get 25% of my views come from subscribers. 75% come from people who didn't subscribe. So I'm hoping to pump up that number pretty soon. A lot of people were wondering, okay, so this isn't a lot of money to make per month. It's a lot for some people, but you know, if you think about all the work and effort I put in, like 500, if I can make 500 a month in February, it's not that much. Everyone's wondering, why don't I do Patreon or why don't I do a course? To be honest, I'm afraid of not being able to live up to people's expectations, and I'm afraid of becoming a shill. Like, some people would just put out content just to make the money. Like, you see a lot of big YouTubers, big finance YouTubers, put out 5 videos a week, but they're not saying anything, but they just need to get the money from it. I don't know. I'm just trying to be real. I'm trying to actually help people. I'm not setting up a course because I feel like if I'm really a trader, if I'm really a finance guy, I can make money on my own and I can teach everyone how to invest and how to trade for free. One thing I'm finding, I'm able to answer everyone's questions right now, but it is becoming overwhelming. Eventually, I'm going to hit a point where I can't answer your questions, and you know, like, I'm trying to answer every single comment, but sometimes I get 60 comments a day. It is very time consuming. My responses are really long. I try to be thorough. If you answer a question I don't know the answer to, I will research and then give you an answer based on my opinion and my experience. So I try to be as real as possible. I don't want to be a shill. I'm trying to help people help Canadians learn how to make money, because we weren't taught this in school. So if I started a course, I feel like I'd be selling out, because then, I don't know, everything's available for free. You don't need to start a course. And then, like, yeah, I'm getting so many more subscribers, so many more questions. eventually I might have to start a Patreon where I'll answer your questions if you're a patron and you subscribe to it, because it is too time consuming. I'm not going to be able to get, if I get to 10,000 subs or get to 15 or 20, I won't be able to answer everyone's question, and I might have to put a paywall just to filter out. So, in a year from now, everything I'm saying might be, I don't know, like maybe I'll change. But I thought starting a course and selling yourself on Patreon is like being a shill. Like if you can really make money, you should be able to just tell us for free how to do it. And I agree with that for now, but eventually I think I might have to. Everyone, I'm getting so many questions like, hey, why don't you just create a course where you just teach me how to option trade, or just teach me the basics of tax or real estate? I didn't think the need for a course or the demand for a course was there, but people are asking for it, so I might. It will take some time. I'm not sure if I'm going to be starting a Patreon soon, because I do have a full-time job, and if I do have the Patreon, I want to, like, you're paying for a service, I have to give you the best quality service that I can. So I might start that. I'm not too sure. I'm on the fence. Let me know. So this video, it's not turning into the YouTube ad revenue anymore, but I did have to go off on that little tangent just to let you know my thoughts. Everyone's asking, why don't I start charging? Why don't I do more memberships? I'm doing fine on my own without kind of like milking my subscribers for every last dollar. But eventually, when I get to 10,000 subs, when I get over 150 questions a day, I might have to start putting a paywall. So apologies in advance. But yeah, that's all for now. Let me just go back. If I can go back to the analytics just to show you my 1 year of income. Not to say this is like the max you can make. I'm definitely one of the smaller YouTubers, like only 6,900 subs. I only got monetized in October, but $1,400, I'm not mad at it at all. I am pretty happy. It's more than what I expected. So thanks for watching. This is not related to finance or investing, but just a little update. If you want to start your own YouTube channel, I highly recommend it. No regrets so far. So thanks for watching. Tune into the next one.